Do you know the 4 essential tools for a tempering furnace? Fast forward and have a look. Which one do you want? The first tempered furnace ceramic roller grinder, a must for furnace cleaning. Polished ceramics roll evenly and delicately with high efficiency. Make tempered glass avoid hitting problems. The second Kevlar rope winder, uniform, firm, and highly efficient winding. Replace the defective fire rope. Ensure the flatness and synchronization performance of the glass. Make the glass not easy to be damaged by collision to close. The third is a label truck for tempering furnace delivery. Main single-order tempered glass. Manufacturer humanized management. Reduce the labor intensity of workers. Improve work efficiency. Fourth, tempered furnace large glass upper and lower piece auxiliary device. Greatly reduce the safety risks associated with moving large glass up and down. Labor saving and safe. How many pieces do you have in the tempered glass factory? Boss, if necessary. Private message me and I will help you solve it.